We're going to perform a half kneeling landmine press. What you do is you take a standard Olympic weightlifting bar, and you can, if your gym has a landmine attachment, you can slide it in that. If not, you can slide it in the corner of a wall or in between a couple weights. If it's not that heavy, you can generally just have it resting on the floor. From here, he's going to kneel down as he is with his right knee down and the weight in his right hand. From here, he's going to press it up overhead, and notice it goes at a 45-degree angle. Then he's going to bring it back down and go back up. And from here, he's going to lunge forward so that that hand goes overhead.